Welcome to Commerce Class. Today's topic, functions of financial market. Already we have seen meaning, definition, scope of financial market, etc. Today's class we are going to learn functions of financial market. There are two types of function. One is called intermediary functions, another one is financial functions. In the intermediary functions, they have been given seven subtopics. Let us learn one by one. The first one, transfer of resources. Financial market facilitate the transfer of real economic resources from lenders to ultimate borrowers. A financial market render the following functions. Let us take an example. A wanted to run an automobile business. He needs 4 crores. He borrowed 4 crores from SBI Bank. SBI Bank also a part of financial bank. So SBI Bank is the lender, A is the borrower. SBI Bank கடன் கொடுக்கிறது, A கடன் பெறுகிறான். Second point, enhancing income. Financial market allow lenders earn interest dividend on their surplus fund. Enhancing income means increase individual and country's income. Now let us take an example. A is a person buys a debenture from a financial market. That means he is lending loan to a business organization. For that, the lender, அதாவது கடன் கொடுத்தவர், earns interest. In the same way, a person buys share from a company. For that shares, he earns dividend. அந்த ஷேரை வாங்கின பிறகு அவருக்கு லாபம் கிடைக்கிறது. Third point, productive usage. Business organization using the borrowed funds for productive purpose. It helps to increase gross national production. Fourth point, capital formation. Financial market provides a channel through which new savings flow to aid capital formation of the country. For example, Vishwa buys shares from a public company. These shares will be converted as capital of the company. Vishwa's savings leading to capital formation. Next point, price determination. Price of a product will be determined by supply and demand. In the same way, prices of financial assets also determined by demand and supply. வாங்குவர்களும் விற்பவர்களும் கலந்து பேசி ஃபினான்ஷியல் அசெட்ஸை விலையை நிர்ணயம் செய்வார்கள். இதற்கு ஃபினான்ஷியல் மார்க்கெட் உதவுகிறது. சேல்ஸ் மெக்கானிசம். Investors can sell his financial assets in the financial market. A is having 5,000 shares of a Tata company. Now A needs fund or money. He thought of selling his shares in the financial market. He can sell whenever he wants. The share can be easily changed as money. The asset has liquidity. இப்போ இலகுவாக பணமாக மாற்றமடையக்கூடிய தன்மை உடையது. Assets, financial assets. 7th point, information. The activities of the participants in the financial market result in the generation of the consequent dissemination of information to the various segments of the market. Dissemination means spreading the information. Financial marketல பங்கேற்கிறவர்களின் நடவடிக்கைகள் financial marketin பல்வேறு பகுதிகளில் அறிய முடிகிறது. They are spreading the information to various segments. So the cost of transaction of finance assets will be reduced. Now let us see the financial functions. First one, providing the borrowers with funds so as to enable them to carry out their investment plans. For example, Ubud wanted to start a cotton industry. He borrowed fund from a bank so he can carry out his plans with the borrowed funds. Providing the lenders with earning assets so as to enable them to earn wealth by deploying the assets in the productive ventures. Marine borrowed funds from a financial market for rupees 2 crores. She built a commercial building. Now she has given the building for rental purpose. The building became as earning asset. Now she earns rent as income. Third point, providing liquidity in the market so as to facilitate trading of funds. Liquidity என்றால் இலகுவாக பணமாக்கும் தன்மை. Now let us take an example. Priyadarshini brought 500 shares from Infosys company. After 6 months, she had another plan to start a business. Now she sold these 500 shares in the secondary market immediately. She got the money. So financial market provides liquidity.